Alrighty guys, so a quick update. I just wanted to show you guys what the OEM speakers look like. So pretty soon I'm going to be getting some of this foam to add to my speaker installs. So we got the spacer for it. This is what the component looks like. This is what the OEM one looks like. This one comes with the built-in crossover. Not built-in, but with the crossover. So you got your input, mid-range, and tweeter. This is the stock tweeter, which I'm gonna be quite honest with you, these rarely go bad. But since we're doing the components, which are gonna be these guys here, big wattage. I don't like to, well, depends on the vehicle. We can drill out some holes on the side pillars and make it work that way. But in this case, since it has the original tweeter here, and I want to make it look all nice and original, I was able to mount my tweeter on there nice and clean. Made my own little bracket to hold it down so it won't just be loose or anything like that. Okay, so that's what that looks like there. We dynamited the door behind there using the Stinger dynamite sheet that we have here. This is what we use, is the Stinger sound damping. I keep on saying dynamite. So we just put it there to kind of help the sound a little bit better. Since we did do the component, the toughest part is to kind of get this wire ran through there, through the grommet, and then working it all the way up here. So that's the tough task on this one. So on the other door, I already kind of have it all put back together. It's already done. We put the crossover here. And then we ran all our wiring nice and clean. I'll show you guys once it's all done. I just wanted to show you the difference in between those before I put everything back.